Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Coinbase wallet. First of all, you can open the Coinbase wallet. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on search at the top right corner of the screen, and after this, you can just simply search here Bitcoin, and after searching the Bitcoin, you can just simply tap on the Bitcoin coin, and here you can see the option that is swap. Tap on swap, and after tapping on swap, if you have a sufficient balance, you can just simply select the swap coin, that is USDT, and after this you can enter the amount that you convert Bitcoin to USDT, and it is a way you can convert Bitcoin to USDT on Coinbase wallet. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.